Affiliate marketing is a business model with huge opportunities for marketers. In this report, you're going to learn how to tap fully into that potential so that you can start earning big while working little. The term passive income essentially refers to any revenue stream that doesn't require your constant attention and care. For example, if you were to sell a mobile app, then you could theoretically release the app onto the App Store and then let the sales roll in. You could then head off to retire to a tropical island and you'd still be earning the same money. This is the dream for many internet marketers, to be able to earn cash while they sleep. Not only because, well, that's obviously amazing, but also because it means the business model is highly scalable. If you can release one hit app, you can release 100. You won't be working any extra, but your earnings will have gone up x 100. The problem with releasing an app, though, is that it requires skill, time, money, and luck. The average Joe cannot simply decide that they are going to release a best-selling app. That's the bad news. The good news, though, is that there are other ways you can make passive income. Some of these methods are incredibly simple and highly effective. And the best part of all is that anyone can use them. Affiliate marketing is just such a method. I'm here to tell you that it's time you sat up and took notice of this option. Moreover, it's time you started doing it right. Affiliate marketing really is a system that anyone can use to start making passive money online. It's foolproof and it requires no technical skill. The only reason that more people aren't doing this is that they either don't know about it, or they don't really believe how powerful and effective it is. Let's put it simply. If you invest just a couple of hours each evening into affiliate marketing, then you can expect to eventually earn enough money that you can quit your day job. The best part. You don't even need to create a product yourself. You don't even need to create your own marketing materials. You are going to simply take an existing business model and duplicate it to start making money for yourself. It's a copy and paste business plan. See, foolproof. Okay, so not quite foolproof. In this report, you're going to discover 5 ways that you can start getting more from your affiliate marketing. 1. Branch out with different products and services. The first tip, if you want to make the very most from your affiliate marketing activities, then one of the most important ways to do so is to branch out with different products. That is to say, that you should be selling more than just ebooks. Ebooks are the go-to option for many marketers, because they are likely to use platforms such as JVZoo and ClickBank. Ebooks, of course, have no overheads or delivery costs, and that also means that creators are able to offer much higher commission. But while that all sounds good, selling ebooks also limits your market drastically. Why? Because a lot of people don't buy ebooks. Think about it. Does your gran buy ebooks? How about your friend who doesn't read? How about any of your friends who aren't into internet marketing and don't read self-improvement? This is why, despite what many blogs may lead you to believe, physical products are still by far the biggest sellers on the web. So, if you sell those, whether through Amazon, another affiliate program, or a direct deal with the manufacturer, you will be able to make significantly more sales, which means more money. But what's more, is that this will also allow you to offer some products that cost significantly more. For example, what if you were to sell a college MBA course? Yep, there are programs that let you do this, and as you can imagine, the profit is potentially gigantic. Likewise, you could use something as simple as Amazon Associates accounts in order to sell gaming laptops. These often cost $3,500 and more. Even 4% of that is still over $100. 2. Use the right tools. If you have countless different products and services to sell through your site, then you'll find that it can become difficult tracking everything. How do you find out what is earning you the most money? How do you chase up the money you haven't received? How can you create links for each of those different products? And the answer is to use a tool such as Trackonomics or Genius Link. These allow you to quickly find and add different affiliate accounts and then to generate links from those products. What's more, is that they'll let you track the performance of each. Both these tools have Chrome plugins, meaning that you can simply navigate to a page where they sell what you're looking for, and then click a button to automatically generate the necessary links. The only catch is that Trackonomics costs $500 per month. Beginners might wish to stick with Genius Link then, but this does also give you a clue as to how much the really big brands are making from this process. 3. Use top 10 lists. Then you have tons of options for selling these products. You no longer need to market hard toward other internet entrepreneurs. Now you can create top 10 lists with great SEO in order to bring in regular customers. Let's go back to those gaming laptops. Let's say you want to create a list of expensive laptops that will bring new visitors to your site and result in conversions for you. What might someone search for when looking to buy those products? Well, the top graphics card right now is the RTX 2080. That's what most people will want if they're looking to buy a top-end gaming laptop, and it also guarantees the product will be expensive. If we quickly head over to a keyword research tool such as keywordtool.io, then we can see that the best phrase for this is RTX 2080 laptops. That has a search volume of 6,600, and we can rest assured that most people searching this phrase will have the intent to buy from you. Add some bullets to your post along with your SEO, and your link might appear in the SERPs with a rich snippet, leading to much higher click-through rates. Write a great article, and you'll increase your conversions too. 4. Build a passionate audience. Using the above outlined strategy, it would be possible to sell lots of products from your site without needing to build any kind of regular audience. That said, it is still highly recommended that you do take the time to build that audience. When you take time to build an audience that trusts you, that makes you a thought leader and an influencer. This makes all the difference when it comes to your conversions. When someone knows you and trusts what you have to say, that means they will have a reason to listen to your product recommendations. They know that they like your style, and you've spent time developing a relationship. Not only that, but you'll have spent time and effort targeting precisely the right people. To get to this point, you need to focus on delivering consistently fantastic content in your niche, while also having a strong social presence. Focus on relationships and communication. Help your followers to feel like they know you. When it comes to actually writing content, the goal should be to offer an original take on a subject, and to only write about a subject you're passionate about. This will be the difference between rehashing existent content, which might also be outdated or low quality, versus writing something new and interesting that no one has heard before. Put it this way, you can't become a thought leader if you don't understand the subject, and you're just copying other people's content. Create a strong brand, know your target demographic, and don't try to appeal to everyone. Do this, and you will grow rapidly and increase engaging severalfold. 5. Use Ppc. Now you have long-term readers buying from you, as well as first-time visitors that have found you on Google. By combining sales from these two sources, you can drastically increase your revenue. But we're going to go one step further by also throwing in Ppc for good measure. Ppc is of course pay per click, which is a type of advertising offered by Google and Facebook. What this allows you to do is to pay for ads only if someone actually clicks them. The reason this is important is that it gives you a certain cost for each visitor to your site. If you know your conversion rate and the amount of profit you make from those conversions, then you can work out a strategy that will guarantee you returns.